Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the descriptions and we start our trading.
So let's get down to trading. We are on the Pocketoption platform. Today we are going to continue completing our challenge from $1 to $100,000. And in the previous video we stopped right here. We've managed to make it up to $25,000. So let's multiply this money to get closer to our goal. Today we are going to use the following indicators. The first one is the Gazan channel. We keep its settings as they are. They work out perfectly on a 1 minute time frame. And we are going to add two stochastic indicators. The first one is going to be with the period of 7. And keep the second one with a period of 14. So we are going to monitor the price dynamics. I'll be less sensitive to the market swings. And therefore the upper stochastic will be more sensitive to the price. Our main signals, the crossing of the horizontal and the overbought zone inside out the upside down. Well, be able to see that on both stochastic. And so let's get started, guys, and find the first counter pair, find the better trade entry and the most profitable payout rate. So here I don't see a good trade entry. We continue to monitor the market situation. Oh no. Okay, let's watch. Let's stop right there and open our long position, guys. Select the workspace. Here we start from the upper stochastic. We see the reversal, the touch of the horizontal zone, which is this yellow line with mark 20. And basically we are seeing the breakout. We also see this positive dynamics, and what is the most important here, we see the price enter the Gazan channel and also the updating of the local low, which is second signal here. So let me point that out for you, and the following moment is gonna be the upside, guys. That's why we open the long position. So we see a very nice pump here. Stochastic didn't disappoint us, and there is several seconds left before the closing. And our first 6 long position have been closed with a profit, guys. We got more than $30,000 on our balance. Let's change the stochastic settings. Haven't analyzed the currency pair. I think the settings will be more helpful for us today. So let's carry on our trading and find the better trade entry. With better, open a short position here. Select the workspace. We've opened our $5,000 position. We see the growth into the overbought zone on the lower stochastic. Let me point out for you this one. It tells us the price should go to the downside. Then if you look at the Gazan channel, we see the breakout above the channel, shows that it happens, so the price movement is above. And after the updating of this local high, I think the price should go lower into the correction. The stochastic tells us about it. If you draw a line here, and better do that more accurately. So if you draw the lines, then it's obvious the price should go lower from this point. Last second before the closing, guys, and our position is in the profits. We got almost $36,000 on our balance, and we've already made more than. So let's continue our trading session and find the next currency pair. Well, continue analyzing. Here we see the crossing, so the right is, and we open long position here, pressing the upside, so dynamics should follow up. If something goes wrong, we'll use the martingale method and open additional trades. Now we opened $6,000 position, and well, we see where the candle should go. And we open more long position, guys. Using the martingale method, there is no other way to trade, guys, because we got a huge amount of money on our balance overall. I see a good trade entry here because we see crossing the horizontal zone stochastic from the bottom up. And by the way, we can see the same stuff even on the lower stochastic, which is less sensitive. Theoretically, the breakout should follow up, and we saw a good correction here, and the price should start going upwards from this point. There are literally 20 seconds left before the closing of our additional trade, guys. Unfortunately, our first position has been closed at loss. We've caught not the best trade entry, and overall we are gonna watch the price movement. So our additional trades have been closed in profit, guys. However, 4 positions have ended up with 0 because the candle closing happened at the level of our trade entry. Anyway, it doesn't really matter, guys, because the martingale method worked out perfectly and we earned profits. Well, let's find the next currency pair. We continue our trading. Okay, on analyzing can find the better trading signals. I'm gonna open 5 long position here. We are looking at the lower stochastic here. We see this crossing of the horizontal zone, and the price dynamics goes up. Also, we see the positive dynamics on the upper stochastic, so early on the correction did happen, and the price entered this channel. And from this local low, I think the price should continue going up. That's why I open our long position here in general. I think we did well, so let's try to make $60,000 on our balance for today, and I think it's gonna be great outcome. So let's watch, guys. So serial position went to 0 and serial position was closed at loss. Let's try using the martingale strategy and don't open additional trades. We trade to identify the bottom of the candle, and I hope our position will be closed with a profit. In case this ones end up at loss, we will open additional trades for a large amount of money, and the future price dynamics should eventually go up. There are 30 seconds left before the closing, and let's just watch the price dynamics. The price has gone lower gain, but our last position have been closed in profit anyway. Not bad, guys. We better change the currency pair and carry on our trading session. Let's find the next trade entry. The previous currency pair wasn't good enough. And let's open our long position here. Let's multiply our position. Here is a very good trade entry for now. Let me explain the principle of trade entry. We see rejection from the horizontal zone. Here we see massive support zone, the touch right here, and from the support zone the price should go to the upside. And overall we see the price entered the candle channel, and therefore we should expect a small correction, and we are not missing this chance. That's why we open our long position. Also, if we look at the lower stochastic, we can find moving coverage at the horizontal zone, and we're expecting the breakout to the upside. There are literally 10 seconds left for the closing, and let's wait for the climax. So, the first position are in profits, as well as the remaining 5. Almost 5 fine profits. The updating of the local low is happening. That's why we should open additional position here, like 100%. We are gonna identify the bottom. Let's wait and open our long position here. In case the candle goes even lower, then we open additional ones. In general, the crossing is happening. Here we see the signal, and I guess the further dynamics should move to the upside. The updating of the local low is also takes place, and it implies that the correction will happen in seconds. So let's watch, guys. Good job, guys. Nice. All our additional trades are in profits finally, so we return to $40,000 on our balance. Well, let's continue our trading session. The market is really interesting at this point, so let's find another currency pair. Here we're gonna see a correction at any seconds, guys. That's why we open our short position, and we are probably gonna open additional trade, guys. Let me explain the principle to you. We should open a short here because we see this huge pump to the upside, and the price is currently above the scalping channel, and both our stochastics are at the overbought zone, so we are waiting for the price to go down and open a short. Also, the touch of our resistance zone is happening here. That's why the price is very likely to reverse. So let's watch the price movement. There are literally 10 seconds left before the closing. We have to open additional short position, guys. The update of the local high is happening here. So we monitor this position very attentively. In case they end up at loss, we are gonna open more position for our entire bankroll, and then we are gonna be in profits in any case, because we will definitely identify the local high here. So we open extra position for all the deposit amount. and we are gonna expect the breakdown, guys. So now things are really heating up, but this position should be in profit in any case. The correction is in here, so the first one is in the profit, and we have got $27,000 right now, no balance, and there are 30 seconds left for the closing, cause the last ones. So guys, it's amazing, very nice, so far so good, guys. And all our additional positions have been closed in a profit, guys. We got $60,000 on our balance, great outcome. We were waiting for the corrections and caught the local high and open right before the correction started going again in moments. Yeah, guys, so the signal flashed out on the stochastic. Here is the second one. Then the touch of the resistance zone and the updating of the local high. The breakout above the Keltner channel. And according to the strategy, the upcoming correction, all three signals played out here. Here is the first one, the second one, and all of them played out perfectly, and our position ended up with profit. We got $60,000 on our balance, and I guess this is where we stop today. This would be enough, guys. Also, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to press the like buttons, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comments down below. Good luck in trading, and see you in the final video.